morning guys, I'm here in Barangay Bagalnga in Compostela and I'm gonna go to the biggest cross here in this barangay, which is in my background right here. So let's go and check it out. Dakong Krus is located in the mountainous area of Compostela. However, it is accessible from Central Nautical Highway. If you come with a motorcycle, it should be 15 minutes to get there from the highway. Okay, so now I just arrived and I can see the top of the cross already, and then this hike is gonna be as easy as going to the mall. It's like a 10 minutes walk or so. I can already see the entire shape of the cross. How big is that? It's so massive. Okay, so now I arrived at the biggest cross. Look at the size of this cross. It's so massive. It's so big. Also, the view from here is really nice. Very beautiful. Wow, it's such an easy hike. I didn't even walk 5 minutes. The weather today is not the best, but the view from here, it's amazing. That's amazing. I really recommend people to come here and enjoy and appreciate the big cross. So okay, that's all for me. And if you like the content like this, please give me a thumbs up and then see you in the next adventure.